Hello, this is Mark Wildman of Wildman Athletica, and today we are going to unbox some Kettlebell Kings slam balls. Kettlebell Kings has sent me some slam balls, a 30, a 40, and a 50, which is what they have in stock. I can drop it because it's meant to be dropped. And we are going to open them up and see how they look. Today's unboxing will be done with a classic, modern version of the K-bar, which has a great sheath. I like the modern sheath on these because it clicks into place and you can dive with it and all kinds of other fun stuff. So, slam ball number one. This is the 30-pound Living Fit Kettlebell Kings brand. Oh, nice. So my main question is, are these all going to be the same diameter, or are they going to get bigger and smaller as they change size? Because this is fairly sizable for a 30-pounder, which I like. I want them to be nice and big. It's got this triangular traction pattern on it for when you're super slippery and gross. We'll see how much dirt it picks up and carries. Not clear. Box one. This one is the 50-pound. Paperwork, lots of stuff on it. Living Fit ad. This one is the 50-pounder. Oh yeah, these are going to be super fun. And the last one will be the 40-pounder. You always put your knife away so you don't stab yourself. And the 40-pound ball. All of the balls seem to be the same diameter. I really like slam balls because they are kind of the friendly version of an Atlas stone. An Atlas stone being an actual round stone. It is soft enough that you can drop it in a lot of places without destroying the building. If you try to drop an actual 50-pound stone inside your CrossFit gym, it's probably going to eventually crack the floor, so they highly don't let you do that. But these slam balls, you can actually drop on a concrete floor. I cut one of these apart once, and they're essentially a rubber liner with a big sand-filled container in the middle. So they are a version of a sandbag, just in that different shape. Shape has a lot to do with different types of lifts. Odd object lifting is something that I like to think about a lot, because out in the real world, all objects are odd objects. You're building a house, odd objects. Carrying bales of shingles, odd objects. Bales of hay, odd objects. Bags of grain, odd objects. They all have different geometry and a different weight balance. So the more you lift odd objects, usually the stronger you are in the real world. I asked Living Fit to send me as many as they had, all the way up to 100 pounds. This is what they had for now, but I really like the idea of building out a real program for slam balls, because I don't know of any. I'm sure that there are some out there, but I would like to do a specific slam ball program at some point in the future for all the weights, starting at a lightweight, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, build up to 100. And then if they made 110s, 120s, the program could keep going. Our favorite basic lift is just like everything. It's a clean to our shoulder. Probably one of our most important lifts that we do. Cleans of all type are what I believe to be the fundamental athletic building activity. Last year, we made a Farm Boy strength program where it was working just with sandbags. We're going to be able to adapt that basic program to these slam balls as well, just for fun. This has been Mark Wildman of Wildman Athletica. Thank you to Kettlebell Kings for sending me these slam balls.